Hi, friends. Today we are going to open a package. We'll see what's inside. Oh, this is from Dimora. And this is a silicone foam dressing. There are 10 individual packs in the box. And this is 4 by 4 inches. 4 inches by 4 inches. It says here, this can absorb moderate to heavy drainage. So let's open it. I love that it is packed individually. Look at that. And they are sterile. And it says here that this is not made with rubber latex. So if you are allergic to latex or rubber latex, this is perfect for you. We are going to open one so I can show you what it looks like. And this is sealed really good. This Dimora silicone foam dressing with border adhesive stays put without irritating skin. So let's check the dimension. And it really is 4 inches by 4 inches. Let's try using one to check if this really is gentle on your skin. We'll try it on my hairy arm. I don't like it when it's time to remove bandages off my arms. It hurts more than the wounds. So we'll see if this one does not hurt. This is what it looks like when you touch the sides. Just sticky enough to stick on your skin. So this is it. Let's say I have a wound in this area. Let's press the sides so it seals good. There you go. It feels really snuggly. The foam pads with a unique 2 mm thick foam core layer maximize the absorbent to 15 times. I left it on for 20 minutes. Let's take it off. This is designed for easy removal. Look at that. Take a look at that. It saved my hairy arm. Voila. You know what? I want to put it back on and try running water to it. We'll see. This is water resistant and breathable. So even if you go shower or you sweat a lot, it stays on. I ran water on it for 1 minute and it stays on. There it is. Now let's take it off. It's very dry. Water didn't seep through. It protected the wound from getting wet. Now I have 15 ml of water with the red food coloring here. We are going to do an absorption test. I will try to use up this 15 ml mixture here. And I will have to pour this little by little. Let's say this is blood, but since the consistency is different, so let's have to be patient. Look at that. Alright, let's add more. What makes this product especially unique is its advanced silicone foam technology. It's designed for extremely high absorption, strong fluid locking performance, with no backflow, gentle adhesion, and painless removal. That means you and your patient won't be complaining when it's time to remove the dressing. Plus, this is more absorbent than traditional bandage gauze. You don't need to change frequently. This is suitable for moderate to heavy bleeding wounds, minor cuts, scrapes, and skin irritations. And because of its superior absorption and comfort, it maintains a healthy moisture environment. It creates barrier from the outside. keeping that boo-boo safe and clean. Now take a look at that. Almost there. And voila! We used the whole 15 ml. Look at that. It's amazing. That's amazing. I highly recommend this product. I will put some of this in our travel medicine kit and a couple in my husband's work bag. Now I am going to cut the dressing open to see how the foam locks that liquid. And of course, my scissors gave up on me. I can say this is very hard to destroy. That shows us that you really don't have to change it frequently. Guys, you can depend on this dressing. Look at that. Well, I need to cut this more. I'll cut it in half. The bigger view, the better, right? So this is what it looks like in the inside. Let's take a look at another one, the unused one. I will show you what it looks like in the inside between the used and the unused. You really need to exert a lot of effort to ruin this dressing. You don't have to worry about overflowing blood at all. Definitely high absorbent. So guys, if you need a reliable wound dressing, Dimora silicone foam dressing is the answer.